In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text templates in CapCut. Whether you're building a quick social clip or a polished piece for a client, text templates give you professional-looking motion graphics without starting from scratch. First, open CapCut and create a new project. If you're already working on something, open that timeline. Set your canvas ratio to match where the video will live, 16.9 for YouTube, 9:16 for vertical platforms, so your layout translates correctly on the final screen. Next, add your video. Import your footage, then drag it onto the timeline. Trim any silence at the start and identify the moment where you want your title or callout to appear. Give yourself a beat or two of lead-in so the text arrives naturally, and play the clip once to get a feel for timing. Now, head to the text options. You'll see text in the toolbar. Open it, then choose Text Templates. This library contains animated pre-styled designs. Hover to preview the motion, and when you find one that fits your vibe, click to add it. The template appears on a new track above your video. Drag its edges to set how long it stays on screen, and move the entire clip to align it with the exact moment you want. Select the template on the canvas and replace the placeholder copy with your own words. Keep it concise so it's easy to read, especially on mobile. In the editing panel, tweak font, size, and alignment. Choose colors that contrast with your background. If your footage is busy, enable a background, stroke, or shadow to improve legibility. Adjust letter and line spacing to avoid crowding and keep multi-line titles balanced. Many templates include multiple text layers. Click each layer to edit its content. If elements are grouped, expand the group in the layer panel to reach individual lines. Reposition by dragging on the canvas. Use alignment guides to snap to center or safe margins. If the animation feels sluggish or too flashy, shorten the clip to tighten pacing, or adjust in and out animation settings for a snappier entrance. Scrub through and check timing. Make sure the text doesn't cover key subjects, appears after any hard cuts, and stays up long enough to read twice. For consistency across your edit, duplicate your customized template, keep the styling, and just change the words. If you're syncing to music, nudge the clip so the text hits on a beat. And if you use specific brand fonts or colors, apply them once and save the style so you can reuse it quickly. That's it. Your text template is customized, clean, and ready to elevate your video.